Hello teachers, we'd like to share a short video on how to get started with Schoology. This video will be accessible under the Unlock Schoology's Full Potential page found in the EPISD staff portal. You can access the EPISD staff portal at staff-portal.episd.org. In this page, besides a short introduction, you will also find a link to our Blended Learning with Schoology course information. This will take you to the Digital and Learning Resources course catalog, where you can find courses on things like blended learning, organizing your Schoology course, creating instructional videos using QuickTime, creating assignments, and so much more. These courses are online and accessible 24/7. All you have to do is click on the Register in EPISD University to gain access. In this video, you will learn about the following: how to access Schoology, how to add materials to your course, how to keep your course organized for easier access to your students, how to add, upload, and embed files and videos from your computer, sources like YouTube, and of course your high-quality instructional materials. There are many ways to access Schoology. In this video, you will learn 2 of the best ways to do so. Remember that all of your online resources, to include Schoology, Canva, and your teaching resources, can be accessed directly through EPISD Plaza class link. Just find the Schoology icon and click on it to be signed in automatically. The other way to access Schoology is through the direct link at episd.schoology.com. No matter how you access it, we do recommend adding it as a favorite bookmark in case EPISD Plaza ClassLink is down due to updates or issues. Courses are created every year and in some cases every semester based on the classes and sections created by your PEIMS clerk or registrar. Your course will start as a blank slate, but it is easy to populate. If you've used Schoology in the past and have saved your courses or course to Schoology resources, you can click on the Add Materials, Import from Resources, and then find your course in your Resources section to add your content. But you can also start from scratch by clicking on Add Materials and then adding folders or pages, assignments, assessments, and so much more. Every time you add new material, it will always show up at the bottom. If you wish to add something in between or at the top, you can hover over the area you want to add, and then you click on the line with the plus sign, which is the Add Materials options, and you will see all the options there. We also highly recommend that you change your course card so that students can find your course or courses easily. You can easily create a Schoology course card in Canva by searching for Schoology course card. This will give you the right dimensions so that everything you add to the card will be visible inside the course as well as the Schoology dashboard. The organization of your Schoology course is very important for both you and your students. You want to make sure that you can easily find the content and that your students can find it so that they can work on it without having to constantly remind them or show them where to go. This makes the blended learning process easier to implement. Whether you teach all content like an elementary teacher does, or you have a specific content like in secondary and middle school or high school, you can organize by color coding your folders, and you can also move the content up and down in your organization for faster access. The more organized you are, the better your course will be. All your curriculum resources can be accessed by students and teachers through EPISD Plaza class link, but you may want to make it easier to access some of these materials by adding them to your Schoology course instead. You can add resources such as YouTube videos, PDF files, documents from different teaching resources by adding them as a link or by using the embed code inside of a page or as an external source. You can also add files as a standalone inside a folder. Let's start by embedding a YouTube video directly to a page. Embedding is the best way to add a YouTube video so that students don't have to leave your course to watch a video and then get distracted by viewing other videos. We recommend a page because you can add directions to what the students should focus on when watching the video. First, you need to find your video on YouTube. You'll click on share and you will grab the embed code. Next, you'll go to your course and you'll click on add materials and you'll add a new page. You definitely want to name your page. And inside of the body, you're going to click on insert content, image media. You can actually upload any media or video directly from your computer as long as it's not over 100 megabytes. But if it's a larger file like a YouTube video, then you want to click on from the web. In the type, since you grabbed an embed code, you want to click on media, and then you want to paste the code that you copied. That's Command V or right click paste. After you're done that, go ahead and insert the media. You'll see this media placeholder right here. If you want instructions, you can add them here at the top. And if you want to center this video, you want to click on the right side of the video and then click center. If you click on the video and center, it won't center it. You'd have to click on the right and then click on center. One of the things we recommend as well is to display on a new page. When you click on this, it will be highlighted, and then you click on create. Now you have your instructions and your video, and all students have to do is click on play to watch the video. If you need to add a document from your teaching resources in EPISD Plaza ClassLink, you may want to add it directly inside a folder or after the instructions on a page. To add a standalone document, video, or link, you will click on the Add Materials. Next, you will click on Add File, Link, or External Tool. You have the option to add a file, a link, or an external tool. File and link are the most common, and with a link, you can actually add a link directly to a YouTube video that will take them out to YouTube, or you can add that embed code, and then it will actually place the video inside of your Schoology course. But for this one, we're going to go ahead and add a file. And then you're going to click on Attach Files and find the file in your computer. And here I have a Unit 7 Social Studies file. I'm going to go ahead and add that. It is a PDF, and we do recommend PDFs because it'll be easier for students to access, especially if they're accessing at home and they don't have access to Word or any other program like that. So let's go ahead and open it after I select it. It's going to upload. Once it's done, all you have to do is click on Add, and the file will be added, embedded into your Schoology course. All the students will have to do is to click on the file name, and they will see a reader here where they will be able to view the file directly inside of your Schoology course. If they want to make it larger, they can expand it, and then they can also go full screen and view the file in full screen mode. We hope this overview helps you get started using Schoology. But remember, we have our digital learning resources catalog of courses at tinyurl.com/DLR catalog. And if you click on the blended learning using Schoology, you will find all the different courses that we offer that will help you improve your course over time. If you have any questions, please be sure to contact your instructional technology specialist.